guys, it's Megan, and today I'm jumping on to speak about this handy dandy over the neck mount tripod that I use to film point of view content. So basically how this works is there is a little button on the back to release it. You wrap it around your neck, slide it back into place to lock it, and then this part is pliable so you can adjust the height to the angle that you want. So anyway, this thing is super convenient. Mine is MagSafe. I have seen them work with like a clamp. I like the MagSafe because it makes it easy to rotate between landscape and portrait angles, and it feels super secure. I'm a big crafter, and for filming things like crochet, this is super convenient. I will say, however, it does have one drawback. If you do a lot of speaking while you're filming or heavy breathing, it does reflect in your footage. See that? So if you're going to be doing a lot of talking or filming for an extended period of time, it might be worth it to set up an overhead tripod. But man, this is so much more convenient. So for shorter videos, I definitely would recommend this and just add a voiceover to your footage later. That said, I'm going to record some footage with this real quick so you can kind of see how it works. Okay guys, so this is not a voiceover. I'm just gonna go ahead and speak to you as I'm recording this. If you pay attention, you may detect me take a breath in between sentences, but I'm gonna try to hold still while I do this. As far as setup, I am shooting in macro mode on my iPhone here, and I just threw a pillow on my lap to create a solid background, and I am shooting in front of a window. So this is super convenient. I definitely would give this tripod a 10 out of 10 for convenience. But anyway, that's all there is to it. I hope that answered any questions that you guys might have. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop me a comment, and if you subscribe, you will make my day. Thanks for being here, guys. Good luck with your content. Have a good one.